And these are the little hood bumpers right here. They get hard, they get cracked, and especially on this car, what they did is they actually painted over them. So when they did paint this part right here, they didn't take the time to remove them. So very simply, you pop the other ones out. These ones were cracked and destroyed. So I like to just put a little bit of lubrication. And they're going to be a tight fit. You just slide them in there. And there is 6 on this particular model that go across. And then another part that's kind of, since we're in this area right here, are the hood bumpers. So this is the one that we had on the vehicle. You can see that this is an original. It's got painted over. It's hard as a rock. This is our reproduction one right here. This is a great one from Caddy Daddy. It's actually great because it's got a little convex to it, which I found is really nice when you go to adjust it. Now, you're going to have to adjust it a bit when you do put the hood on, and that way you get your gaps right and everything like that, but it's very simple. So I take the old one, kind of measure relative to where the old one was. That's just going to help you with the adjustment of the hood so you can get all your gaps right when you put it back on.